You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. Recently, I had switched out my long-term backpack for photography from this, which is about a 26-liter bag, all the way down to this VSGO 20-liter bag. This is my new traveling bag. A lot of people have been asking me about it, and now it is time to see what this bag is all about. So let's go ahead, grab some of the gear, okay? And since it's my travel bag, it's only right to travel, right? We have this waterproof protectant case, just in case the weather gets a little out of hand while we go travel. So let's travel and I'll tell you all about the bag. Let's go. Okay, let's talk about this bag. We mentioned traveling, right? It's ironic that I happen to be in Paris. Peep the Eiffel Tower. Okay, so the first compartment, right? We have this nice automatic magnetic locking compartment. Absolutely love this compartment. You give it a twist and it opens up the flap. Now, inside is actually a layer where I normally put like my flash, batteries, microphones, anything I want to get to that is kind of an accessory to my cameras in the top. Also, drones would be a nice place to put. It has two dedicated zipper compartments where I separate my batteries that are dead from the ones that still have juice. And this is pretty much a compartment where if you wanted to, it has some pieces that you could take out and just make it a bag fully through. Now, if I look at this, one thing I will say about this particular bag is that I'm a bit rough on bags. When I'm on the go, I will pick it up, drop it to try to get a shot, things like that. So this is kind of like a metallic finish. I really like the aesthetic, but it has gotten a little bit bruised dealing with me and my trips. So let's get into more about this bag. Thank you for bringing this lovely bag to us. Give it a round of applause to our lovely model. So here, I told you all that this is my new travel bag, and the best way to show you all of its glory is by going and traveling in different places. And so now we are in Faro, Portugal. So the second portion of this bag, we will actually go inside. And if you unzip, what I like about the inside of this bag is the main compartment. So here, there's a magnetic pouch where I keep my SSD drives, memory cards for my camera, any cords, etc. And then if you unzip here, you actually have the main compartment, and this is where I keep my main camera. I also have a backup camera and then lenses, things of that nature here. It is also collapsible with the part that I showed you before, where you can have the entire bag be accessible through here. Also, the other side, you actually have a magnetic latch here as well. And here you can store a laptop. They say 15.6. I've been able to get my 16-inch MacBook in here as well. Now, for those of you who need quick access to your camera, and you may have this on your back like so, you can turn this around, right? And there is a zipper here where you can open it, and then you have easy access to your camera gear here as well. And so that is the second part of this bag. Absolutely great. Let's see what else we have. Okay, we have come to the last part of this travel series. All right, today we are in Barcelona, Spain, and again I have my travel bag. With this portion of the video, I want to focus on the outside aesthetics of this bag. Now, the first thing that I like is the material they used to make this bag. Since I am pretty rough on bags, it is nice to have a material that is easy to clean, okay? I also love the hidden features of this bag, like this secret slip pocket, which I use to put documents in, and it is magnetic as well for security. We also have side pockets on both where you could put a water bottle, and I also put a tripod here and use these straps to strap it and secure it down. They also have good quality material using YKK zippers and these locking mechanisms that makes it hard for anyone to go inside of your pocket bag. Okay, when you go onto the front of the bag, it has a nice quality material that actually has a nice breathable back, so I don't feel as sweaty when I put this bag on. And the other thing that I like is that the weight is nice and distributed when I use this chest strap to secure it across my chest and distribute the weight of the bag. So overall, I like this VSGO bag. Now, the reason why I even got this bag is because at first I used a 30-liter bag, and I would bring things that I did not necessarily need, right? So carrying too much gear. So going down to this 20-liter, it made me be a little more minimalistic and really think about the things that I need to bring on any trip that I go on. And so now, instead of bringing 3 lights, I only bring 1 and maybe a on-camera flash. And instead of bringing 3 or 4 cameras, I've brought that down. And also my lens selection. Instead of bringing all of my lenses, I bring it down to 2. So that is the reason why I got this bag. It has been working out really well for me. It is a great quality bag. I absolutely do love it. If you are interested in checking it out, check out some more details, see if this bag is for you. You can check out the link down in the description below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. T to the M to the IDD. Peace. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.